Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Foothill Oak Elementary School in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District, home of the Roadrunners, and got to share my heart again with the AM/PM after-school program here today with the students and staff. I've been here a few times in years past, both virtually and in person. Already this school year, coming back in April too, to talk about leadership. We've already talked about respect, but today's focus was on positivity and being your best self and making sure that we're trying to be our best self, the best version of ourselves in every area of our lives, right? Whether it's here at school, on the playground, at recess, in our classrooms, on the bus, at home, and with everybody in our lives, that we're trying to keep that positive attitude, right? With our parents, our teachers, our coaches, our classmates, always really trying to think more positively, be more positive, be our best self. And even when the sun's shining, right? Of course, it's easier to be positive when that scenario is in place, but when it's not, when it's raining, physically, literally outside, but also figuratively in our hearts. And things might be a little bit more difficult. We're going through like a rainy stretch of our lives. Maybe a certain subject at school is a little bit more difficult. There could be a problem at home. There could be, problems with our friendships, our relationships, just something that we're battling, even at a young age, that we can always try to maintain this positive nature and positive approach to that, right? That's why I wear this shirt. This particular program says keep your head up, and the words are upside down on purpose. So if you are feeling down, feeling sad, look down, it reads keep your head up. It's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. And I love that around this school, around the whole campus, there's so many positive words, different murals on the walls, and just this whole idea that yes, we want to step into our leadership ability and start to lift up others higher than ourselves. This is also a 7 Habits school, Leader in Me school, and really knowing that we're trying to take our own effort up to the next level, but also help others and raise them up too. That's the sign of a true leader. And we talked about how it's not that we're maybe so smart at something, but it's the fact that we just stay with something longer, that we don't give up, we keep trying, we keep persevering. We know that the opposite of success is not failure, but quitting, right? It's giving up. That so many famous people in the past have failed over and over and over and over again just to finally succeed. And so if we keep that in mind, knowing that sometimes these tough times, right, when we fall down, we can always get back up, that those times can make us stronger. That's really the mentality that we want to have when we approach every problem in life and look at it from an angle of only solutions, right? And so the students really took that home today. They really took it to heart that they can really see their own value, their own potential, turn those negative beliefs and thoughts into positive ones. And that starts with understanding this concept as well. I always remind them every time I come, and it's such a beautiful reminder that we all have with the lines on our hand, the letter M, at least one on each hand. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects. If that M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we are all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we need to be that light to someone else's heart, right? That's part of doing our best, right? Not comparing ourselves to others, but just focusing on our own value, our own worth, our own abilities, talents, gifts, and then going and using that to help others around us. And that's going to tie into the theme when I come back in a few months, our leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. So again, beautiful afternoon with all the students and staff. Thanks again for welcoming me back to your campus. Had an amazing time. Can't wait to see you again in a few weeks. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and you can visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.